Your eyes are the key to seduction, and we'll show you how to use them to your advantage. From subtle eyelash flutters to sultry glances, you'll learn how to master every move to make him fall under your spell. So, get ready to ignite your passion and watch now for the ultimate guide on how to seduce with your eyes. The power of eye contact. If you want to make a strong connection with a man, eye contact is a powerful tool you can use to communicate your desire, interest, and availability. However, it's important to understand that different types of eye contact can convey different messages. Whether it's a friendly glance or an intense stare, the type of eye contact you use can significantly impact how the man perceives you. To make sure you're sending the right message, it's essential to be mindful of the type of eye contact you are using. Are you looking for a casual conversation or something more intimate? Do you want to come across as friendly and approachable, or confident and alluring? Understanding the different types of eye contact and their unique messages can help you communicate your intentions clearly and effectively. So next time you're making eye contact with a man, remember that it's not just about the act of looking, but also the message you're sending. With the right technique, you can use eye contact to create a deep connection and leave a lasting impression. Tip number 1. The side gaze. Looking to add a little mystery and intrigue to your seduction game? Look no further than the side gaze technique. By glancing away from the person you're interested in, you create a subtle air of mystery while still conveying your availability. For a maximum impact, try maintaining eye contact with your target for a few seconds before breaking the gaze by looking away. Once you've broken eye contact, turn your body slightly away from them and focus on something else in the room. When their eyes meet yours again, look back with just enough confidence to let them know when you're aware of them without being too aggressive. Not only is this technique effective in creating an atmosphere of intrigue and anticipation, but it can also signal emotional connection and trustworthiness, two essential components for any successful relationship. Try using the side gaze technique in a variety of scenarios, such as when you first meet someone and are trying to make a connection, talking to someone across a crowded room, or during a date to create a sense of intimacy. Add the side gaze to your seduction arsenal and watch as your allure grows stronger than ever. Tip number 2. The up and down gaze. Ladies, are you looking for a way to create curiosity and allure in a man's mind? Look no further than the up and down gaze technique. This seductive gesture is best used when first meeting someone or encountering them, and involves a gentle sweep of your gaze from their head to their toes and back up again to their eyes. By appreciating their physical features in a subtle way, you create a sense of wonder and intrigue in their mind. For an advanced move, add a small smile at the end to show you're open to their perusal. Although it may seem like a small gesture, the up and down glance has been proven to be an effective way to evoke feelings of wonderment, intrigue, and approachability. Use this technique to add a touch of mystery and allure to your interactions with men, and watch as they lean in closer to get to know you better. Tip number 3. The lower chin technique. Ladies, want to appeal to a man's ego and instincts without saying a word? Try the lower chin technique. The seductive gesture involves subtly lowering your chin towards your chest and gazing out from the top of your eyes, almost as if you're looking at him from below. The key here is subtlety, as this technique is meant to disarm and make the man believe you are admiring him. Use the lower chin technique to appear more approachable and open in a variety of scenarios, such as walking past potential partners or meeting someone new at a bar or gathering. A gentle chin lowering and soft gaze can effectively convey interest while maintaining an air of mystery. Men may perceive this gesture as a sign they are being noticed and appreciated, making them more likely to make advances or continue conversations with the woman who has made this gesture. Add the lower chin technique to your seduction arsenal and watch as your allure grows stronger than ever. Tip number 4. The triangle technique. Looking for a way to maintain eye contact without coming across as too intense? Try the triangle method. This technique involves focusing on the eyes and mouth of the person you are communicating with and is an integral part of the professional triangle approach. To use this technique effectively, start by looking at the person's left eye, then move your focus to their chin or lips before glancing at their right eye. Moving through these 3 points slowly shows that you are interested and engaged in the conversation. Not only this technique makes the other person feel heard and taken seriously, but it also establishes a feeling of trust that is essential for effective communication. The triangle method is especially beneficial when dealing with difficult conversations, when trying to persuade someone to do something, or when creating a sense of desirability between you and the person. For women, the triangle technique can have a profound effect on men. Men become more receptive and willing to listen, increasing the chances of them doing what women ask for. Add the triangle method to your communication skills and watch as your interactions become more effective and successful. Ladies, remember that when it comes to nonverbal communication, you don't have to limit yourself to just one technique. Combining different methods can enhance your seduction game and help you project an air of confidence and assertiveness, while still appearing open and interested. For example, try using the up and down gaze, lower chin technique, and the triangle method together in a single interaction. This combination can maximize your chances of getting what you want out of an encounter. By appreciating the man's physical features with the up and down gaze, conveying interest with the lower chin technique, and establishing trust and engagement with the triangle method, you'll create a powerful impression that's hard to resist. So don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and find the combination that works best for you. With a little practice, you'll be able to seduce with your eyes like a pro and achieve your goals in every encounter. So, are you ready to perfect your seduction game with nonverbal communication? Here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1. Practice in front of a mirror. Pay attention to the subtle changes in your body language as you use different techniques. This will help you become more aware of your movements and how they come across to others. Number 2. Observe others in public. Take note of how people use nonverbal communication to convey messages. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't in different situations. Number 3. Notice the impact of subtle changes. Even small changes in your body language can make a big difference in how your message is perceived. Pay attention to the subtle changes and see what works best for you. Remember, body language is essential to seduction and can be incredibly powerful when used correctly. It speaks volumes about our true intentions and desires. And with practice, you can perfect your techniques to achieve success in intimate encounters. Learning to read others' body language is also crucial to adapt accordingly and ensure your message is clear and well received. By increasing your knowledge and confidence in these techniques, you can master the art of seduction through body language.